Welcome, esteemed educators, to GPT Bard Academy. Today, we're diving into the world of AI-powered writing tools, Google Bard and ChatGPT, which are transforming the teaching and learning landscape for writing. Let's explore their potential and discover how they can empower our students to become skilled writers and creative thinkers. Google Bard is an innovative writing assistant that harnesses artificial intelligence to help students generate ideas and overcome writer's block. By analyzing vast amounts of text, it provides insightful suggestions and auto-completions based on user input, serving as a tireless writing companion. Google Bard can be employed for various creative writing projects, including poems, short stories, and essays. Additionally, it's a valuable resource for teaching sentence structure, syntax, and grammar, allowing educators to focus on fostering a nurturing learning environment. On the other hand, ChatGPT is a versatile AI tool that benefits educators in numerous ways. It can assist in crafting engaging lesson plans, assessing student comprehension, and providing personalized feedback on assignments. By utilizing ChatGPT, educators can save time, enhance student outcomes, and elevate their teaching approach to new heights. Together, Google Bard and ChatGPT support students in honing their writing skills, fostering creativity, and cultivating critical thinking abilities. By integrating these cutting-edge tools into your curriculum, you can create a more engaging, interactive, and relevant learning experience for your students. AI-assisted writing tools like Google Bard and ChatGPT also help bridge the gap between traditional and digital learning environments. By incorporating these technologies into your classroom, students can gain valuable practice in critical thinking and problem-solving, essential skills for success in today's rapidly evolving world. Furthermore, these AI-powered tools encourage students to become independent and confident writers. With a reliable resource for generating ideas and improving their writing, students can develop essential communication skills and unlock their full potential. In conclusion, Google Bard and ChatGPT offer exciting possibilities for the future of education. As we continue to explore the fascinating realm of AI-assisted writing and teaching, we can empower the next generation of writers, thinkers, and storytellers, preparing them for a future filled with endless opportunities. So, let's embark on this exciting journey of discovery and unlock the true potential of AI-assisted writing and teaching with Google Bard and ChatGPT. Together, we can propel our students to new heights of creativity, critical thinking, and communication. If you found this content valuable and want to stay updated on the latest insights into AI-assisted writing and teaching, please take a moment to like this video, share it with your fellow educators, and subscribe to GPT Bard Academy. By doing so, you'll join a community of forward-thinking educators who are embracing the power of AI to shape the future of education. Thank you for joining us today at GPT Bard Academy,